Okay, hello everybody. This is my first Christmas collection. I actually started this last year because I brought it out. I was going to start doing it to go with these that I brought out last year. All it's called the winter journal cards. Okay, they're on Etsy. They've been on, since last year. So I wanted it to sort of go with that. But I love the Vintage Days kit that I made. So it's very similar layout to how I done that kit, because I really enjoyed that kit when I made a journal out of it. So I thought I'd change it around and make it Christmas. So this is the Christmas Vintage Days. Okay, there's about 17 pages, something like that. Okay. And they go, like I say, they go lovely with those winter journaling cards. Yeah, it's quite, a lot of red has come out on it. I've tried to sort of creep in a little bit of green. I think this sort of image is in one of my other kits, I think. But, yeah, I love that page. It sort of doesn't shout Merry Christmas and all that. It's just sort of Christmassy, really. And some other ones. And I thought, that would look nice, because that looks nice like that. And then you've got that there. So yeah, so all the sort of elements I had in the other kits, I sort of changed around for the Christmassy ones as much as I could get. I know this is not Christmassy, but it looks Christmassy. Got roses on it. Christmas rose. There we go. That's sort of like a collage sheet I've done. Yeah. So I like doing those. And then incorporated some green to pick up the green in here. I say it's not really a Christmas sort of green, if you know what I mean. Well, it is a Christmas green, but it's not like an ivy or something like that. I've just put that there. There's someone there. And a couple of lined papers, not many, just in case you wanted them. These are the backgrounds now. Plain sheet of that one, and there's the other lined one, like I say, similar to the Vintage Days, and incorporated this one. Really like that. And the background of that one, and these two actually come from the Vintage Days. Okay, I've put them in just as a bonus. Not everybody's got Vintage Days, but all the backgrounds out of the Vintage Days is going to go with that kit if you've already got it. Okay, that's why I just put two in just as a sample. Okay, I mean that's sort of like quite bluey, but it sort of comes across as black. And I don't know, I put them in. So it works. I checked because I looked at it and I thought, oh, it does work. It sort of doesn't pick up this really dark blue. So I did check that it was okay. And it's just a bit of contrast, with some of the pages. So you look, that's great. Okay, so that's that. Then there's an add-on somewhere. Okay, messed up already. So like I said, I just put them in just to in case you haven't got the actual Vintage Days kit and you just do Christmas. Then this is the add-on. I've got 2 coin envelopes with the journaling card. That's the red one. These are some big pockets there, some little stamps that you can use for embellishments, and then the circle ones that I like to use for me little dangles. I think there's 4 sheets of cards. I've done some plain ones because it's nice again to have some plain things to go with it, because it's quite a busy kit, and I think the plain just offsets it sometimes. It's there. And then these could become like a tag flip, and then you'd have a journaling spot in the middle. There's another set there, or just cut them up. You don't need to. And some there. Yeah, that's 4 sheets of tags. Then you've got the tickets and banners that I always do, and the page tabs, and I've been doing these recently, so they look good. And then some journaling cards. Make sure I'm in frame there. Yeah. And these ones you can fold over if you want and glue them back to back, and then you've got writing on the back, or you can do them as a little, you know, little insert type thing. And those, and the envelopes, 2 large envelopes. But don't forget, you can shrink these down to 2 to a page, okay? And you'll be fine. And you get your small envelopes then. A page of, just a couple of postcards. And a page of sort of embellishments to cut out, fussy cut and use. Okay, well that's it. Well, I hope you like it. And yeah, I've gone quite traditional this year, you know, with that really. My poinsettias are my favourite flower anyway, and I always think they look great on a, you know, on in a journal, because they're quite striking. So yeah, and that's what I'm going to make my Christmas journal out of this year. So I think thanks again for watching, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye.